hands by your side. Feet shoulder length apart, nice and calm. Blessing grant, 2, 3. Blessing grant.
Say a few words. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Miss Jackie.
It is so nice to have you all here and to be able to give out the awards for the Sports Day. Who had a great time on Sports Day? It was so much fun. And maybe we can do something a little bit like that again towards the end of the year. And I know you're dying to find out which house won. And I did make a video, but unfortunately the projector's not working. But if you want to see the video, you just need to go onto the Primary Bites, and there's a video of all the sports days. But I'll have some notices after we've done the prizes if you want to know who won the cup. Find out.
Thank you, Miss Becky. If you have celebrated your birthday this week, please come up to the front.
Birthday people, please come up. Up here, girls. Guys. Right there, left. Fergus, thank you. It's a birthday, get ready, sunshine, and let's sing out loud. It's a birthday, it's a birthday. Oh,
up to the stage to present awards from Sports Day.
Thank you. Good morning, school. Good morning, school. We will have some certificates to give out. The ones that have won first place, second place, and third place in our 50-meter event, the long jump, and the cricket ball throwing only. No certificates for the event that was held in the prep. So we will call out the ones for the year ones first. We will save all the clappings to the end after we have distributed year one's certificate. I'd like to invite Ms. Beck to come and help me share the certificate. For the year one 50-meter boys, first, Oliver Armstrong. Second place, Yan Xiao. Yan Xiao. Dragon. Third place, Wesley Kavika. Long jump, first place, Oliver Armstrong. Second place, Maru Saswari. And third place, Phil McLeish. Maru and Phil. For the cricket ball throw, first place is Cornell. Second place is Maru and Anare Raiwalui. For the girls, 50 meters, first Zara Jiwanti. Second place, Nina Nono. Third place, Martina Ajahad. First place in the long jump is Martina. Second place is Nina. And third place is Vivia. In the cricket ball throw, first place is Martina. Second place is Zara. There's two people came third, Camille and Tavi. Let's all give another hand to the year. First place in the year 250-meter boys, Tintin. Two people who came second, Jean and Ahinoa. The year 2 boys long jump, first, Fergus Eaton. Second place, Shaden Gounder. And third place is Jean Direct. For the cricket ball, boys, cricket ball throw, first place, Charlie. Second place, there are 4 people who came first. James Manick, Shaden Gounder, Malakai Matafeni. They all threw 20 meters. And Ahinoa Stice. Second place, for the year 1 girls, year 2 girls 50 meters, first place for Stina. Second place is Daria. And third place is Eden. For the long jump, first place is Faustina. Second place is Kiana Nanovu. And third place is Eden. For the cricket ball throw, first place is Faustina. Second place is Grace. And third place is Kiana Nano. Thank you. Let's give another hand for the year 2. Year 3 boys 50 meter. First place, Daniel Espejo. Second place is Mikhail. And third place is Samuel Maniklai. First place, year 3 boys long jump is Mikhail. Second place is Daniel. And third place is Austin White. Year 3 boys cricket ball throw, first place Samuel Manaklani. Second place Jonah Frank. And third place Shub Prasad. For the year 3 boys cricket ball throw, first place Levi. Joy. For the 50 meter year 3 girls, first place Edison Wood. Second place is Marisa Robinson. Third place is Sarah Luda. Year 3 girls cricket ball throw, first place Hiba Daka. And second place Elisha Kachi. Third place is Asana Datai. First place for the girls cricket ball throw, there's 2 came third and Vanya Prasad. First place in the year 3 girls long jump, Vanya Prasad. Second place is Hiba Data. Third place is Charlotte Brooks. Thank you. Let's give another hand to year 3. Year 4, 50 meters, first place, Happy Faisal. Second place, Takao Devi. Third place, Dominic Pentos. The year 4 boys long jump, first place, Sakao Devi. Second place, Fatih Muhammad. And third place, Theo Knox. Year 4 boys cricket ball throw, first place Alexander Gilbert. Second place George Spence. There's 3 people coming second: George Spence, Sosuke Yamanaka, and Oni. Year 4 girls, 50 meters, first place, Yana Samarasina. Second place, Lina Julian. Third place, Scarlett Fisher. Girls long jump, first place, Hewon Yoon Maria. Second place, Lina Fabea. And third place, Lena Julian. Year 4 girls cricket ball throw, first place Isabel Foster. Second place Jenna Stiles. And third place Philippa. Let's give the year 4s another. Year 5 The Year 5 girls 50 meters, first place, Crystal Kara. Second place, Jacinta Tuisingan. And third place, Faith Keegan. In the long jump, Year 5 girls, first place, Jacinta. Second place, Estella Bingham. There's two in third place, Michaela Bingham and Zana Zenos. For the Year 5 girls cricket ball throw, first place, Jacinta. Second place, Alina Seru. And third place, Lily Teresa. Thank you, Year 5 school. Can you just give me your 5 round of applause? Okay, for the moments that we've been waiting for, overall winner for our athletics championship. Okay, I'll just take us back 4 years ago in 2016. Eagles won the athletics championship. In 2017, Kiwi won it. And in 2018, again, Kiwi won it. Last year, the Kangaroos won it last year. But I wonder who's going to win it this time. I'll ask Mr. Tim to announce the winner. And please make it happen.
Okay, you ready for this? In fourth place, we have Eagles! And Eagles scored a total of 1,567 points. Give it a round of applause. Coming up at third place with 1,741 points, we have Kangaroos! All right, we're waiting for this next one. Now, the final announcement. Thank you for your silence. The points are, one particular team scored 1,778 points, whereas the second team scored 1,792 points. You can already guess that there is a winner. And the winner is, give me the drum roll, come on. Second place goes to Iguana. Thank you, Iguana. Well done to Kiwis. House captains, please make your way up to the front.
Why are we having one? We would like to support a local school that is in need of library books. The school is the district school, which is in Lao.
How can you help? Please bring in books that you are not using anymore. Books like picture books, novels, and information books. If you want, you can bring in brand new books. Starting from next week, Kids for Kids students will come around to different classrooms to collect their books. Thank you.
Okay, just a couple of quick notices from me. Firstly, after snack time today, we will have our art activities where you get to go around and enjoy all the different art. And I do hear that you've been working very hard to get your virtual art exhibition up and going, and you'll be able to share that with your parents this weekend, which is very exciting. It is going to be a very busy term. And we've got lots of fun things happening coming up in the term. And there's a couple of important fundraisers that we are doing over the next couple of weeks. We've got the book drive for kids. We're also going to have what we're calling a bring and buy. And some of our year 4 boys, do you want to stand up, those boys? Okay, these boys are organising the bring and buy, and what it is you need to go home and you need to clean out all your old toys that you don't play with anymore, any old books or things like that that you just don't need anymore, and you bring them to school. And then these boys are going to sort them all out on tables. $1 tables, $2 tables, $5 tables, $10 tables, and then at lunchtime in week 6, you can break some money and buy some new toys. From all the toys, and all the money that we raise will be going to charity, so it's going to be quite exciting. The boys will be coming round to your classrooms to talk to you a little bit more about that. And in the meantime, and a really good thing to do at home, because you'll really make mummy and daddy happy, is if you clean out all your old toys. Okay, so that's going to be exciting. We do have a sad moment today where we need to say goodbye to one of our friends. So we would like Kaishan and her friends to come up so we can sing her the farewell song.
The time has come for me to say goodbye, my friend. Sing as loud as you can. Memories of you will linger in me forever. So this
Market Day, where we will be selling different things.